One morning in Elowa, little one woke up very early. The air felt different. The forest was too quiet. The bamboo was not dancing, the birds were not singing, even the mountains seemed to be waiting. Then one heard a tiny sound. It was his little bird friend. The wind was shaking the nest.
Hang on, I'm coming!
One did not stop to think. He climbed higher and higher. The wind pushed him, but he kept going. The branch bent and shook, but one was brave. With gentle paws, he held the nest close and covered it from the wind. And soon, the wind grew quiet. The sun came back. The little bird was safe. Even the smallest heart, very brave. This is one from Elowa.